Welcome to Naga's O Delicious. In today's video, we're going to see the preparation of vegetable kootu, an ode to the delicious and healthy vegetable kootu. Health benefits. Carrots have a rich source of vitamin A, which is good for eyes. Cabbage and chana dal are a rich source of folic acid, which is important for brain development. Curry leaves and coriander are good source of iron, which is very necessary in alleviating anemia. Now let us look into the ingredients required for the preparation. So first take 1.5 cups of the chana dal and soak it for about half an hour. Slice the cabbage of about approximately 1.5 cups. Take 3 medium-sized tomatoes and dice them, and 2 medium-sized onions diced, and also I've added 5 cloves of garlic. Medium-sized potato diced. 2 medium-sized carrots diced. Coriander leaves half a cup. Spices for sauteing: urad dal, fenugreek, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, curry leaves, chili powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste. Very important ingredient is the coconut puree of about 1.5 cups. Now take a pressure pan on a moderate flame. Add the chana dal, diced tomatoes. Add approximately of about 3 cups of water to ensure that the chana dal is cooked, and then add diced carrots, diced potato, sliced cabbage, and now close the lid and set the pan for 3 whistles. Next, take a frying pan. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds and the cumin seeds. Allow them to splutter. Then add urad dal and the fenugreek. And once they are added, next add the diced onion and the garlic. And now saute well. When these ingredients blend together in the oil on a moderate flame, they exhibit a very nice aroma, and that aroma is retained in the dish, which makes it very tasty too. Wait till the onions are golden brown, and once the onions turn golden brown, add the curry leaves. When curry leaves exhibit a very fantastic aroma, which adds to the credential of the dish. And once the curry leaves are fried, add the chili powder and the turmeric. And at this stage you have to be very alert, because once the chili is absorbed by the hot oil, there are chances of burning the bottom of the pan. So once it is done, switch off the flame and next check with the pressure cooker. See if all the vegetables and the chana dal are cooked. Yes, the carrot, the cabbage, the tomato, the potato are all cooked. And now just take 1 grain of the chana dal. It might be hot, so please do it very cautiously. Just press it with help of your fingers. If they are cooked, yes. Now it is ready to be added in the frying pan. And ensure that it is very gently mixed. And this step can be done after switching off the flame, because the chili powder is there, it shouldn't get burned. After adding all the ingredients and mixing them, now you can set the moderate flame. Now allow the ingredients to boil. Once the ingredients begin to boil, you can add the salt to taste and mix it gently. Once the ingredients start to boil and the oil separates in the corners, you can add the coconut puree. Coconut puree is a rich source of lauric acid, which is good for brain development. And apart from that, coconut milk has got lots of health benefits. And now we can see that the oil is separated and our vegetable kootu is ready. So if you feel that it's a little thick, you can add a cup of water and mix it. So this is such a tasty and healthy recipe which can be taken with rice, chapati, dosa, idli. The flavor and aroma exhibited are so good that even kids would love to eat this dish. Yes, our healthy vegetable kootu is ready to be served. And now, before serving, garnish it with the coriander leaves. Switch off the flame and in a serving bowl add the kootu. Vegetable kootu with carrot, cabbage, potato, coriander leaves, curry leaves. The healthy dish is ready to be served. Such a nutritious and tasty recipe that goes along with chapati, rice, dosa, idli. So serving suggestion for today is the kootu is being served with rice and banana chips. They make a wonderful combination. Just ensure to serve it hot with a teaspoon of ghee. It's a very aromatic, tasty and healthy recipe. Please do try at home and let me know in the comment section if you got it well, and if you have any other suggestions also, you are welcome. And that was the preparation of vegetable kootu. Please comment, subscribe, click the bell icon, and thanks for watching Naga's Oh Delicious.